Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share you an amazing recipe that is chocolate balls. So let's get started. To make cream for the chocolate balls, here I'm taking Sunfeast Bounce Choco Cream Biscuits. You can either take any cream biscuits of your choice. Now we need to separate the cream from the biscuits and keep the biscuits aside. And here is the separated cream from the biscuits. Keep it aside. Now let's take 2 Britannia biscuits and add it to this biscuits. So now let's add finely chopped coconut to the blender and make it into a fine powder. We need to check whether the powder has grinded well or not. So let's check it. See, it has not grinded well, so let's grind it again. Finally, it has grounded well. Now let's transfer this powder into a bowl. Let's add the biscuits to the blender and make them into a fine powder. Now it has become into a fine powder like this. Let's transfer it into a bowl. Now let's add biscuits powder to the bowl. To the biscuit powder, I have added 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. Now let's add 1.5 cup milk to this. Now let's mix it well. Now let's add 1 tablespoon coconut powder to it. Now let's add 1 tablespoon ghee to this. And now let's mix it well. Finally the batter is ready, so let's prepare yummy chocolate balls. From the batter we need to prepare balls like this, and now let's apply the chocolate cream to the balls. And finally kids' favorite chocolate balls are ready. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe. And also don't forget to click on the bell icon and do follow me on my Instagram page, Cook and Explore with me. Love you all. See you soon. Thank you. And please do comment, like, share and subscribe.